Good day, ladies and gentlemen. In this particular video, I'm going to be giving you a system that will make your trend line strategy very powerful. So if you are a trader that uses trend lines, then you need to pay absolute attention to this video, because I'll be giving you an arsenal. I'll be giving you a weapon you can use and add to your trading arsenal, okay, when it comes to utilizing trend lines in order to trade the forex market, be it forex, be it crypto, be it stocks. It does not matter, so long there is a chart. This is going to work, and please do not take my word for it, okay? So after I'm done teaching you, just go ahead, open your chart and try what I have taught you. You'll find out that this actually works, okay? And if it does not work, let me know in the comment section. If it works for you, also let me know in the comment section. But I'm definitely certain that it's going to work for you, because I've seen it play out many times, okay? So this video is not a video where I'm trying to teach you how to use trend lines. No, I am assuming that you already know how to use trend lines, how to draw trend lines. So what I'm actually trying to do in this video is to give you an additional weapon, an additional system which you can add to your trend line trading to make it very effective. So without further ado, let's get right into it, okay? So I can see an uptrend right here, okay? I want to give you a few examples and show you the system. So it can be used in uptrends, it can be used in downtrends. You already know that uptrend is where you have higher highs and higher lows formed in the market, right? So that's exactly what I have right in front of me here, okay? So this is an higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and market is just giving us that uptrend formation. So I can go ahead to draw my trend line, okay? So what do we have right here? So I can draw my trend line from this point to this point like this. So long I have up to 3 touches, okay? So this is my trend line, and I'm simply waiting for price to break this trend line. All right, and as you can see, the trend line got broken right here, okay? The trend line got broken right here. Is that right? So most trend line traders would look for a way to actually enter a sell trade from here, which is fine. But the thing is, sometimes manipulations could put you in the wrong on the wrong side of the market, okay? So instead of doing that, something else you can do is get an horizontal line, okay? So you can try this out and you see that it works. Okay, once you've gotten this horizontal line right now, what you do is you place the horizontal line exactly at the point where the market actually broke your trend line, where price actually broke your trend line. So the intersection, okay, place an horizontal line at that point. All right, so what happens is, more often than not, up to 85% of the time, all right, what will happen is market is going to come back to this horizontal line you've placed, okay? It will come back there. So when price comes back there, you already know you are taking a sell trade, okay? So you can use any entry system. You can decide to go to a lower time frame. Right now I'm on the 15 minutes time frame. You can decide to go to 5 minutes time frame and wait for a maybe market structure shift. Any entry system you love using. You can use the aggressive system, whereby once price gets there, okay, once price gets back to the level you are taking your sell trade, place your stop loss above these highs, okay? You check this high and place your stop loss above the high, a few pips above the high, and you can target 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. So let's see what actually happened when price returned to that level. So you can see what happened right here. Price touched it and started pushing in the downward direction. Only a few traders actually know this secrets that I'm giving out to you, okay? So if you're a trend line trader, this is an additional system you can add to your arsenal, okay? So let me delete this so it doesn't cause confusion. I want to give another example. So, okay, I can see market moving in the downward direction. Let me get a trend line. What do we have there? Okay, so let's see how far it's going to go. Okay, Let me delete this other trend line. I'm still going to draw it. Okay. How many lines, how many points do I have right here? 1, 2, okay. So I have up to like 3 points touching. So price broke this trend line and moved in the upward direction, right? So what you just need to do, place an horizontal line at that level where price broke the trend line. Okay. So I can place my horizontal line right there. So I'll wait for price to return to that level. Okay, price has not gotten to that level yet. Let me see. I think I did not draw the trend line right. Let's see. The screen is a little bit small, so I'm just trying to zoom and make sure that I'm drawing the trend line the right way. Okay, so I have one touch right here, one touch, another touch right here. Also, I have another touch right here. I think it's perfect now. You can see the way the touches are. Okay, so it's clean now. All right, so the way I placed this horizontal line is inaccurate. Okay, it's not accurate. So I need to move this horizontal line to this point, somewhere around here. Okay, so that's where we have the break to the upside. Okay, so I'll be waiting for price to get back there, and you can see price got very close to it, but didn't really touch it. So remember, these are like zones. Okay, so it's not really a line, it's like a zone. So it's that zone that the price is reacting off of and is pushing in the upwards direction. So let me delete that. I believe you've gotten the hang of it, but please do your back testing and see how it plays out for you. So I have another trend line to draw because price is giving me higher high, higher low right here. So I can connect that with a trend line. Get me my trend line. I have this. Okay. All right. So something like this right here. Okay. So what do I have? 1 touch, 2 touch, up to 3 touches. I'm good to go. So once price breaks this level, I'll be looking to place an horizontal line at the intersection. But please, let me give you a trick that can make you understand how this goes. Even if you don't draw your trend line perfectly, maybe you're having an issue putting the trend line in the right spots, just know that what I'm targeting is a push downwards away from the trend line. I'm not looking at a single candle break or maybe a 2 candle breaks. No, I need to see a push downwards, disobeying this trend line. Okay, disrespecting this trend line. Once I see that push downwards, that's all I need. Then around the area where that push downwards came from, I'll place an horizontal line to intersect with the trend line, and that's what I'll be looking to trade off of. Okay, so it's somewhere around here. All right, that's like the intersection where the candle broke the trend line and we had this push in the downwards direction. So when price returns to that level, I'm looking to take a sell trade. Basically, that's just the idea, that's the concept. So instead of just focusing on your trend lines alone, this is something else you can also incorporate into your system. And one good thing about trading in this manner is it helps you avoid fake outs, because if you check all these areas, it's looking as if a small portion of the candle is closing below. Okay, so if you are the type that once the candle breaks and closes below, you enter a trade, you get bonds right here, because a small part of the candle can just close below, you enter your sell trade and price will just move in the upward direction. Okay, but in this system, what you want to do is you actually wait for price to go a reasonable distance away from your trend line, showing you that this is a clear break. Then you place your horizontal line at the intersection, then you wait for price to come back, and then you take a sell trade. All right, so please, if you got any value from this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.